You know that feeling, right? You pick up your phone, you tap an app, and boom, the internet is just there. No wires, no plugs. It honestly feels like it's some kind of magic, but it's not. And we're about to pull back the curtain and show you exactly how it all works.
So for real, is it magic? Is your house just filled with some invisible internet fog? Well, no, not quite. But the real answer is actually way more interesting and, believe it or not, a lot simpler than you probably think.
All right, to really get this, I want you to imagine you're at a really loud party. If you want to get your friend's attention from across the room, you can't just whisper, can you? No way, you have to shout to be heard over all that noise. Well, your Wi-Fi network, it's basically that exact same loud party, just for your devices.
See, at the party, your voice travels through the air as sound waves. Wi-Fi works the very same way. It just uses invisible radio waves instead of sound. It's still a conversation, it's just one we can't see or hear.
So when you go to watch a cat video, your phone is literally yelling a request at your router using those radio waves. It's just like you shouting, "Hey, pass the chips!" across the room at that party.
And what does the router do? It hears that request, it goes and grabs that video from the internet, and then it shouts it right back to your phone, using those same invisible radio waves. And that's it. That's the entire back and forth.
But here's where it gets kind of wild. This isn't just one slow conversation. This shouting match between your phone and your router is happening thousands of times, every single second. And that incredible speed is why a web page just feels like it appears instantly.
Okay, so if it's that simple, then why is Wi-Fi so frustrating sometimes? We've all been there. Let's use our party analogy to figure out some of those classic Wi-Fi problems.
First up, the big one. You walk to the other end of the house and poof, the connection is gone. Why does that happen? Well, let's head back to our party. If you get further away from your friend at the party, their voice gets quieter and harder to hear, right? It is the exact same thing with Wi-Fi. Those radio waves, that's the router's voice. They just get weaker and weaker the farther they have to travel. All right, next mystery up for debate. Why does your signal totally tank the second you go into another room? What is it about walls that just seems to kill a Wi-Fi signal?
Imagine your friend at the party walks into another room and shuts the door. You might hear them mumbling, but you can't really make out what they're saying. That is precisely what's happening with Wi-Fi. The radio waves lose a ton of energy just trying to push through solid stuff like walls or floors or even a big bookcase.
And the final big one. Why does your internet slow down to a crawl the minute the whole family gets home and everyone is trying to stream something at once?
Think about that party again. But now, everybody is shouting at the same time. It's just total chaos. You can't focus on any one conversation. Well, that's your poor router. It's trying to listen to your phone, your laptop, your TV, all at once. And of course, everything slows down.
So now that we know Wi-Fi isn't some strange magic, it's just a bunch of really fast conversations, we can actually start thinking about how to make those conversations a little bit clearer.
It really just comes down to 3 super simple rules for our Wi-Fi party. First, distance matters. Second, walls and other obstacles matter. And third, too many conversations at once will slow everything down.
Now, keeping those rules in mind, there's one really simple, really powerful fix. Just try moving your router to a more central, open place in your home. Think of it like putting the host of the party right in the middle of the room. This shortens the distance for everyone and means they don't have to shout through as many walls to be heard.
So there you have it. Wi-Fi isn't magic at all. It's just a really fast, really busy party that uses radio waves. Now that you know the rules of the party, take a look around your own house. Where's the absolute best spot for your router to make sure every single one of those conversations is as clear as it can possibly be?